Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious ranch pulled chicken sandwiches. These are absolutely incredible, perfect for dinners, perfect for parties. Keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. The first thing we need to do to make this is start off with a large crock pot, and to that I'm going to add about 2 pounds of chicken breast. These chicken breasts were quite large, so I cut them in half. You can do that too, it'll help them cook quicker. So we just put them all in there. Next, we're going to add 1 package of ranch dressing mix. Just sprinkle this over the top. Then 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Then we're just going to put our lid on and we're going to cook it on high for about 6 hours. We are going to check the internal temperature of the chicken to make sure it's cooked properly before we move on to the next step. But right now, let's do that. So after only 4 hours, our chicken is done. I've already checked the temperature. It's at least 170 degrees Fahrenheit. And the reason it cooked quicker was because we did cut our chicken in half. If you didn't cut your chicken in half and your chicken breasts are quite large, it may take 6 or even 7 hours if they're really large. So keep that in mind. Do double check the temperature just to be sure your chicken is cooked thoroughly. So at this point, we're going to take off our lid, grab 2 forks, and what we're going to do is just pull the chicken apart into little strips. And when you're comfortable that you've pulled apart all your chicken into little strips, we can just mix this up really good. Now we're going to add about 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. We're also going to add about 4 bacon strips. I'm going to crumble them up by hands, pre-cooked bacon, and just crumble them up in there. Give this a good mix. Keep it on low until that cheese is melted. Once the cheese is melted, what we're going to do is I'm going to serve this on a dinner roll. You can use a hamburger roll, you can use sub rolls, you can even use like a tortilla shell and serve it. It's great any way you like it. Just take some, scoop it out, put it on your roll. So now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to dig in and see how it tastes. This is incredible. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these ranch pulled chicken sandwiches. These are absolutely incredible. I hope you get a chance to make them for yourself. And if you do, please share them with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. For right now, check out this video. And until then, I'll see you next time. With a large These are incredible. I hope you give them a chance. I don't know. So now the internal temperature. Try it again. Hope you get a chance to. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.